Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions, isn't it? Now we'll discuss about worksheet 1. Find the product. So in the example, you have seen how to do the multiplication and all, isn't it? So find the product. First what we have to do, it is a number 9 into 2, then x cube into x to the power 4, isn't it? Now 9 twos are how much? 18, and x power 3 plus 4, it will be x to the power 7. Now it is a -6 into 5 into a squared into a to the power 7. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now it is a minus plus minus. First put the sign. 6 5s are 30. A to the power 2 plus 7. A to the power 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. Now it is a third question. -8 into -4 within the bracket into y to the power 9 into y to the power 3. So it will be minus minus plus 8 fours are 32, y to the power 9 plus 3. It is a 9, 10, 11, 12. So y to the power 12. Okay. Now multiply the monomials. Same, but here a little bit tough. So same method, 7 into 4 by 3. Put in the bracket. Now next is p into p squared into, it is q into q cube. Now there is nothing common, so you can't cut. So 7 fours are 28 by 3. Now it is p and p squared, means p 1 plus 2 3. Add the powers, remember. So in the multiplication, when the bases are same, you have to add the powers. And q, it is 1 plus 3 4. The answer is 28 by 3 p cube q to the power 4. Okay, now coming to the second one. First you have to multiply, isn't it? So you have to write the question. Sorry, I didn't. A squared b 6 8 c to the power 8 into -3 a to the power 7 b to the power 4 c to the power 3. Now 12 into -3. Now a squared into a to the power 7 b6 b to the power 6 into b to the power 4 into c to the power 8 into c to the power 3. Okay, now how are the signs? Different. So the answer will have negative sign. 12 3s are 36. A 2 plus 7 9. B 6 plus 4 10. C 8 plus 3 10 11. So you got minus 36 a to the power 9, b to the power 10 and c to the power 11. Okay, now coming to the third sum. It is write the question putting the multiplication sign in between. Okay, then next step is grouping. Numbers put in one bracket, 2 by 5 into 5 by 3. Now x squared and x cube. Next is y and y squared, and z squared is alone. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what's remaining? 2 by 3. Here it is x, 2 plus 3, 5, y, 1 plus 2, 3, z square. So you got 2 by 3, x to the power 5, y cube, z square. So that was about our question number 2. Now coming to question number 3. Multiply the monomials. Isn't it? Multiply the monomials. So question, whatever is there, put the multiplication sign in between and write. And now again it is the same. Multiply the numerals. It is a okay. 3 into 4 into minus 5. Now x to the power 7 into x squared into x cube. So here plus minus minus. So it will be how much? Sign is minus. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Now x to the power 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So answer is minus 60 x to the power 12. Now coming to the second question, it is a decimal is there, so be careful. So write the question putting the multiplication sign in between. Now 1.2 into 5 into 1.1 into, now take the a square. In the second one it is a, and in the third one it is a to the power 5 into b squared. Second it is b4, and here it is b. Now in the third one c is not there, so c squared and c to the power 7. Clear? Okay, now multiplication. 12 5s is 60, but here one decimal, so it will become 6.0, so it is 6. 6 into 11, 60. 11 6 are 66. Again one decimal, so it will be 6.6. Now here a to the power 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Now b 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Now here c 2 plus 7 is 9. Hope everyone is understanding. Multiply the numerals, then the each and every alphabet separately you have to add the powers. Okay, now the third question again. Write with putting the multiplication sign in between. Now take the numerals, that is 3 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 5 into minus 6. Okay, then it is a p. Here p is not there, here p square, here it is not there, close. Then q, first it is there, here second it is there, third and fourth it is not there. Now r, In the first it is not there. R squared, R cube, R to the power 5. Now 2 ones are 2 threes are, isn't it? Now there is no cutting. First see the sign. Minus minus becomes plus. 3 threes are 9. 9 fives are 45. Or otherwise it is a 3 fives are 15. 15 threes are 45. And in the denominator it is 4 ones are 4. So you got plus 45 by 4. Now P 1 plus 2 3, Q 1 plus 1 2, R 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. Is it clear? Next it is find the product, and fourth sum, find the product and verify the result. Okay, now here you have to put the multiplication sign and write. Okay, now first we will multiply half into minus 10 into 1 by 5. Now it is x cube, x and x square. Now it is 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here how much is remaining? Minus 1. So 1 you know, no need of writing, isn't it? Now x 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So you got minus x to the power 6. Now verification, put value x is equal to 1. Now LHS, write the question. Question you have to write 1 by 2 x cube into minus 10 x into 1 by 5 x square. Now put the value, take the square bracket, half into 1 cube into square bracket minus 10 into 1 into 1 by 5 into 1 square. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 1. Are we understanding? So square cube का सब value निकालने का, minus 10 into 1. Now it is 1 by 5 into 1. Okay, now you write. It is in the first it is 1 by 2. Second it is minus 10 and it is 1 by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So you got how much? Minus 1. Now RHS. RHS, what is the question? Minus x to the power 6. So it is minus is outside, x is 1 to the power 6. So minus 1 to the power 6 is 1. So therefore it is a LHS is equal to RHS. Don't take minus inside. If you take minus inside, it will be positive. Here it is minus x to the power 6. So x का value 1 है. So इसके लिए minus बाहर आता है. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. So that was about question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. Again it is a multiply and then verify the result. Okay, write the question. Minus 3xy into 4 by 9 x squared z into minus 27 by 2 xy squared z. ओके, क्वेश्चन लिख के हो गया। अभी सॉल्व करने का, कैसे सॉल्व करने का याद है? ब्रैकेट ओपन, सॉरी, minus 3 into 4 by 9 into minus 27 by 2. Then x into x squared into x. Next it is y into, here y is not there, here y squared into z. Here z is not there, here z is there, and here again z. Isn't it? Now it is minus 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 nines are. Okay. Now it is a 3 9 fours are, sorry, 2 ones are 2 twos are 9 twos are, it is 18. Now it will be x 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 1 4, y it is a 1 plus 2 3, and here it is a z 2 times. Now coming to verification, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to minus 1. So LHS is minus 3xy into 4 by 9 x squared z into minus 27 by 2 xy squared z. So it will be bracket open, minus 3 into x is 2, y is 3 into 4 by 9 into x squared, that is 2 squared, z is minus 1, square bracket close. Now it will be minus 27 by 2, x is how much? 2, y squared, y is 3 squared, and z is minus 1. Now here it will be minus, isn't it? 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18 into, here squares and all you have to open, 4 by 9, 2 square is 4 and it is minus 1 into, here it is minus 27 by 2 into 3 square is 9 minus 1. 2 cancel. So it will be minus 18 into, here no cutting, minus 4 fours are 16 by 9 into, here it will be minus plus 27 into 9. 9 sevens are 63, 6 in hand, 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 24. Okay, 9 ones are 9 twos are. Now you multiply and see. It will be Otherwise you could have, okay, this is easy, you can directly cut. 4 4s are 16 minus 16 by 9 into minus 27, 9 into minus 9. This gets cancelled, isn't it? So 9 got cancelled. Now you multiply minus 18, minus 16 and minus 27. If you multiply, you will get minus 7776. You'll get this much answer. Okay? Is it clear? Now coming to the RHS. It will be 18 x to the power 4 y to the power cube z square. Okay, now 18 into x is how much? 2 to the power 4, y to the power, y is how much? 3 to the power 3, z is minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, you got now? Plus. Okay, here minus minus plus, here also minus minus plus. You will get plus. Okay, it is 18. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. You got same numbers 18, 16, 27. The answer is 7776. Sign is plus. So LHS is equal to RHS. It's bit lengthy, थोड़ा तकलीफ होगा, थोड़ा अच्छे से करने का है, ठीक है? That was question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6, again write the question. It is a squared b c squared into 9ab squared c squared into minus 4ab squared c to the power 4. First step, multiply the numbers, 9 into minus 4 into a squared into, in second a, third it is only a, in the b, in the first one it is b, second it is b squared, third it is b squared, and c, first it is c squared, second c squared, third c to the power 4. Okay, 9 sign is a minus, 9 4s are, it is 36. Now it is a, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, b 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, c 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. You got the answer. Now verification. So LHS. Okay, first you write a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. LHS, write the question into 9ab squared c squared minus 4ab squared c to the power 4. Okay, square bracket open, minus 1 by 2 the whole squared into b is minus 1, c is 1, so square. So the values you have to put. Now square bracket open, 9 into a is 1 by 2, b squared means minus 1 square, c squared, that is 1 square bracket close, into minus 4 into a is 1 by 2, b squared minus 1 squared into c, that is 1 to the power 4. Okay, now find the values of 1 by 2 the whole squared. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So 1 by 4 into minus 1. Now 1 squared is 1. Okay. Now here it is 9. 1 by 2. Now minus 1 square. Minus 1 2 times will be plus 1. And here again it will be 1 into, here it is minus 4, 1 by 2, again minus 1, the square means plus 1, 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Okay, now here it will be minus 1 by 4, isn't it? Into 9 into 1 by 2 into 2 ones are 2's are. So here you got minus 2. 2 cancelled. So you got minus minus plus 9 by 4. Okay. Now coming to RHS. It is minus 36 a to the power 4, b to the power 5, c to the power 8. So what will we do? Minus 36 into a to the power. A, what is the value? 1 by 2 the whole power 4. Into b is minus 1 the whole power 5. C is 1 the whole power 8. This is minus 36. Now 1 as it is. 2 4 times. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16 into minus 1 to the power 5. 5 times. Then it will be minus 1. See, when the power is the even number, then this becomes positive. If it is a odd number, it remains negative only. You should remember that. Now here it is a even number powered, so it will be. So positive के लिए कुछ rule नहीं है. It will be positive only, but for negative there is a rule. Okay, now it will be minus minus plus. Now 36 and 16. In which table? 4. 4 4's are 16. 4 9's are 36. 9 by 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. You can write hence verified. Okay. Very lengthy sums, isn't it? Okay, then we have completed 6th sum. Now coming to 7th. Find the area of the rectangle whose sides are. So sides means what? Length. So length is equal to 2a. Breadth is equal to 3a. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 2a and breadth is 3a. So 2 into 3 into a, that is 2 3's are 6, a square units. Understood? Now coming to 8th sum. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth, where breadth is given. Breadth is equal to 4x and length will be, therefore length will be thrice its, 3 times 4x. That means 3 fours are 12x. So again write area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now length is how much? 12x. Breadth is 4x. Now 12 into 4 into x into x. 12 fours are 48x. 2 times x square square units. Clear? Now the 9th question, last one. Find the area of the rectangle whose breadth is b and length is square of the breadth. So breadth is equal to b and length is square of the breadth, means b square. So find area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is how much? B squared. Breadth is b. So b squared into b, 2 plus 1, 3. So b cube square units. So whatever they give, so according to the question, you have to write length and breadth, then ordinary multiplication. Because it is area, at the end you write square units. These sums are comparatively easy. The verification, you should be careful. Is it clear? Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.